There has been a universal understanding of what causes attraction between girls and boys for thousands of years. How we gather food and interact with one another has changed. However, the fact that these changes have occurred throughout human history does not change the fact that the core triggers of attraction have remained constant. For the most part, we still use our brains in the same way that we did thousands of years ago. And the sooner you realize this, the better off you'll be when it comes to attracting girls. You've probably heard the phrase girls like jerks. They never claim it, but they do it all the time. They like them more than nice guys, though perhaps not for the reasons you might think. Growing up, I was always told to keep my head down and never cause a commotion. My father worked abroad when I was a child, and my mother raised me. Growing up without a father figure can have both positive and negative consequences. Without the proper support system, it's very likely that you'll face serious challenges in the future. Some people find a father figure to teach them about life at school. Others are fortunate enough to be able to figure it out on their own. However, even if they have a father, some men will never know the truth, as you will soon discover. You see, every girl has a unique background and personality. However, there are certain psychological triggers that all women are susceptible to. Many people have misconceptions about how attraction works. However, it can be reduced to a few simple behavioral triggers. Consider this for a moment. When it comes to relationships, the truth is that we're a lot simpler than many women believe. All we want is a stunning woman who isn't insane. It's that easy. However, for basic physical attraction, we simply want a cute girl who will support us and make our lives easier. The girl's appearance is the most important aspect of physical attraction for men. What about the ladies? To grasp this, we must go back to the dawn of civilization, when our forefathers lived in caves. Mental fortitude is what girls want in a man and consider to be the most important trait, regardless of time period. Sure, she wants you to be physically strong, but if you can show her that you have inner strength, her interest in you will grow tenfold. This is what women look for in a man, and it has been for thousands of years. Self-confidence is the highest quality that girls are programmed to find attractive, which is why it ranks higher than any other trait. You could be a billionaire and have access to all the beautiful women. However, if you lack mental fortitude and self-assurance, you will never truly mature into the man you desire. This is why the most attractive quality a man can have is confidence, because it creates a sense of safety. Being confident triggers something primal in women's minds. Self-assurance is simply another way of saying that you are mentally strong on the inside. Confront your fears. Take action to become the man you desire. To boost your self-esteem, you must confront your fears. When you let go of fear and embrace confidence, you radiate a contagious positive energy that can be seen in everything you do. Girls have been searching for this one internal trait that makes a man attractive throughout human history. Naturally, your physical appearance has an impact. Confidence, on the other hand, drives them insane. The more self-assured you are, the more likely you are to succeed in life. This will lead to a happier life filled with attractive women, money, and wonderful friends. As a result, strong and confident men appeal to women. When you press a button on an app, it always performs the function for which it was designed. The same is true for women. They've been genetically programmed to respond favorably to strong men. This has always been the case, and it will most likely continue to be so. When competing with physical attractiveness, money, or any other factor that girls consider, having enough self-confidence will always give you an advantage. Women find people with strong mental fortitude appealing. This is what true men are made of. Confidence is appealing, and it's something that men are born with. You just have to work on it over time. Do something today, rather than waiting until tomorrow or next week, to face your fears after watching this video. It might feel strange at first, but you'll get used to it. There will be times when you feel like giving up and living in fear. But if you stay focused and push through them, you'll discover that your fears aren't real.